Hello everyone, welcome to our Soul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. You have seen that I have changed my um, background and everything because of the fact that I was finding it difficult to do it there. So that's why I have changed it. Okay. So this is the reading for Pisces for the month of August 2020 for romance, career, relationship and finance. Okay. Romance, career. One important thing guys is that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. Second most important thing guys is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The last and the foremost important thing guys is that if you want to join 15 days tarot learning workshop and 10 days numerology workshop, 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so you can help us with the donation, and thank you for all the karma donations you are doing guys. Okay, so I'm really grateful to you. This is reading on based on romance, career, relationship and finance. And sorry for delaying it, I don't know why, but um, I have delayed the reading for a few weeks and I'm really sorry for the same. So yeah. Shh, shh. So yeah, sorry for the background sound guys. Okay. So yeah. I'm using it. I'm using the clarifiers. Why? Because it will be easy for me to not shuffle it again and again for the sun. Shh, shh. Sorry for the background sound, guys. Okay. I don't know why, guys. I'm just feeling that you have a positive energy. A few of the Pisceans are going through some of the spiritual awakening, I guess, and they're like, they're really. I can feel. I have a sense of positivity in them. Okay. It will take time for me to adjust in this place, so yeah, bear with me for the same. Okay. Okay, so guys, let's check it out. You have got the Empress, the Wheel of Fortune and the King of Pentacles and Reverse. Okay. uh, in the romantic part, you're going through some sort of spiritual awakening. A major change is happening inside of you, within of you. You're going through self-awareness, self-love, self-care. You're no more thinking about money related or business related things. You're just taking care about yourself. If you were not giving time to a relationship, now you are just in your head emotionally, within you, you are thinking about it. Okay, major shifts, major changes are about to happen in the upcoming weeks. Okay, you are going through some major spiritual awakening right now. Self You are understanding the meaning of self love and self care. Okay, and you are also understanding the fact that you don't want to give a shit about anything else, about anyone else anymore. Okay, just self love and self care would be your first and foremost priority in this month, in the month of August. This is beautiful. Your career related thing is that in the month of August, you are ready to take a lot of, you're working hard in the month of August. You are going through some major hard work in the month of August when it comes to career related thing. Okay, you are building up yourself. Okay, you are releasing all the baggage and the burdens, and if you were dealing with any court cases, issues like that, you're releasing it, and you're ready to move forward into your career ahead, like shifting up of a job, establishing new business, establishing new job, establishing something new. So a new offer, you're ready to move ahead with a new offer which is about to come, which is about to which you will be receiving soon, okay, in the month of August, and you will be ready to move towards it. Definitely you are going to be successful when it comes to your finances, and I think you are going through a lot of stability when it comes to your finances. As there's a lot of changes are happening in the month when it comes to relationship, okay, but you have a lot of stability when it comes to your financial or materialistic world, okay, because you are really working hard towards it. You are really taking time out, focusing a lot on money, materialistic world as compared to your personal life, okay. Relationship, I think in the month of August you will be regaining your power back. If you were not in a power in this connection, you are regaining your power back, okay, and now you want an happily ever after into yourself. You are loving yourself more when it comes to your love life, okay. In this connection, I think you lost a lot of emotional instability. um, I also feel that if you didn't had that kind of power in the past, now you are regaining your power back, and you want an happily ever after in the month of August with yourself. Self love and self care would be your utmost priority. If you are into twin flame connection, then but into separation, then a reconciliation or a reunion will be taking place for you guys. If you are dealing with a karmic connection or karmic partner, then it will come to an end. If you are dealing with a soulmate connection, then things will be improving into your married life, okay. So you have to know that which kind of partnership you are dealing with. But yeah, I can see that here is all about happily ever after. You are regaining your power back to move towards your happiness, to prove a happily ever after with your connection in this connection, okay, and you are ready to accept all the happiness within you and around you, okay. Finance, major new beginnings are about to happen. There's an important wish which is going to come true in the month of August for you guys, okay, with a new opportunity, and a new opportunity might be offered to you in the month of August, and it will create a wish fulfillment for you guys. It will create a wish come true thing for you guys, okay. So a major new beginnings are about to happen, major new changes are about to happen for you guys, okay, and I'm really happy for the same, guys, okay. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. Kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers. Guys, you are ending something. You are going through some major internal transformation, internal healing right now, okay, and endings and new beginnings, okay. So you are ending something, you would better know, into your financial life. I think you might be ending a past job, past career, past business, okay, something like that, and new beginnings. You are moving ahead towards new beginnings. Pisces, also I can see that you are ready to move towards a relationship. If you were into separation, now you are ready to take an action towards it. You are regaining your power back, and you are ready to move towards your partner, okay, and to teach them happily ever after, okay, which is really good, because you will be victorious when it comes to that. guys, you are ending your major karmic cycle when it comes to your materialistic world. Definitely you are releasing a lot of baggages, when past life baggages, into your career life. If things were not going on good, if you wanted a financial stability which you didn't have had before in the past 7 years, 6 years, 5 years, then now you are going to have it. Okay, because you are releasing major karmic cycle, major endings, and in the financial world. Okay, so yes guys, this is beautiful. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I am really happy with this reading, guys. You are ready for the new beginning, new life, new beginning, new opportunities, new major opportunities are about to happen into your life, which is beautiful, guys. You are ready to take a leap of faith. You are ready to take a risk about something, either relationship or either your career. Especially I feel relationship, because you will be victorious when it comes to that. Okay. The first one, you are ready to receive. Wow, guys. Okay, so the 4 sentences is all about be receptive. Whatever you are going through, be receptive, accept it, because it is all about universal things. Okay, just be happy, go with the flow, and be happy towards it. If politics is going on around you, be aware of it, because there are few people who are manipulative and they might use you or take an advantage of you. Do not be emotional, think from your mind, do not think from your heart, guys. Okay, so yes guys, one healing message for you guys. I don't know. Wow. One healing message for your fear. If you are fearful about something, I usually get rejected, abandoned, or betrayed in relationship. If you think so, the universe is trying to tell you that I now learn from past disappointing relationship, so I can release the anger and sadness and move on to more fulfilling ones. Beautiful. So now, who is your archangel? Wow. So I am taking the one which I picked up. So your archangel is Archangel Zadkiel. Okay, his universal message for you is that I am love. I align my consciousness with gentleness, compassion, and goodwill towards all. I am compassionate and kind. I am aligned with the healing powers of inner peace and kindness. I am able to help others by vibrating love through my presence, words, and actions. So this is your gemstone for the month of August, Pisces. Magenta dyed agate. Magenta dyed agate. It looks like that. Okay, so you can Google it. So, are you seeking unconditional love? So, universal message from your Archangel Zadkiel is that you really want others to demonstrate the love they have for you. Show your love for others and know you are well loved by many. Allow love. Be a receptacle for all that is love. Love is your natural state. Definitely, Pisces are very lovable. And so yeah, this was a reading for the month of August for romance, career, relationship, and finance. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, guys, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot, Pisces. And kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. Okay, so thank you so much.